Mr. Kyakoze Sentam was my president and leader. I feel obligated also to sympathize with him. Namely, that the task you are given is so huge. I don't know how to rescue you. I tried. It was difficult to rescue you. Now I can see you even chained further. I don't know the amount of rescue we can undertake to rescue you from captivity. You are captured, you are stranded, you are clueless, you are directionless. I feel sorry for you, my brother. I don't know how to help you. But can I ask of you to seek help? It could be medical, it could be psychological, it could be physical. Please seek it before you lose yourself. Seek help. It's not late. I have no personal grievance with you. I want you alive. I want you sane. I want you able to take decisions. Please seek help. Because clearly, you have lost yourself. But the task you are given is so huge. Initially, you are given a task to bring me down. I think it's a huge task. I don't know how far you have gone in doing that. I want to assure you, I know you are watching me, that I am around. Whoever gave you that task of bringing me down is a huge task. You know? And I can assure you, you will not manage it. But seek help before you go down the sewer. Otherwise, you are on the edge. You're on the cliff. I thought in the beginning I should extend those sympathies to those categories of people, including Mr. Kyagulanyi. But let me say this also, that in the task given to Mr. Kyagulanyi, I am responsible for all the problems in this universe, including his reasoning capacity. You remember I told the world I registered the PPF. You know, he's never come out to apologize for that lie. You know, you remember I am responsible for his party not having a constitution. I am the one responsible for his party not having a clear method of work. I am responsible. I am responsible for his absence of a clear agenda. Now I'm also responsible for the arrest and the death of Segirinya. So he has a huge task. That's why I'm asking of him to seek help. Because he looks a pitiable figure, even when he's speaking. I feel sorry for him because I worked with him and I thought he could improve. I thought he could be better with time. He's going down so fast. And that makes me feel so sad because he could make a contribution to our struggles. So seeing him going down the drain so fast, he speaks and then he looks like a village drunkard. You're like, is this the man I so much wanted to work with? I feel sorry for him. Seriously. I feel very, very sympathetic to him. I don't know. Whoever can help this young man, please do. Please try. Before he goes back where we picked him. So from me and to you citizens, we have this problem. Every time, yesterday the NRM began its process of restructuring its electoral system, its structures. And the leading opposition had a day off to divert Ugandans from what's going on. When General Mohoz confesses to the arrest of citizens and detaining them illegally, so you have a leading opposition party diverting Ugandans from demanding for justice. Then the question of the day we should ask, people have been asking, who is working for Museveni and diverting the opposition cause? Must we ask further? Who is helping Museveni to divert the opposition from the cause of change? I tabled the reforms before the opposition 2.5 years ago. They said no. Museveni tumwesobolera. Museveni tabling his agenda, they're diverting the nation from the agenda. So I really feel sorry for our country.